What's up, everybody? So for our final in Leadworthy, we are going to make a paper roller coaster. Now, as KVA, this is meant to be a team building type activity, so you will be doing it solo, but you are more than welcome, if the situation allows, to collaborate with other students. But you each will have to be accountable for your own project. I don't know how that would work with you working with other students since you are KVA, but just contact me if you have any questions or anything related to that in particular. So, what is a paper roller coaster? In short, you're going to need a 20-inch by 30-inch base. It can be cardboard, or what I give out in class is poster board. It's like the foam board in the middle. 20 inches by 30 inches, and I'll cover, if you don't have access to this stuff, I'll cover that here in a second. And then you will use 20 sheets to start. 20 sheets of cardstock. This is 65 weight, 65 pound weight, so it's a little flimsy too. It's not super rigid cardstock, so it's kind of that in between. But that is it. That is the only thing you can use to make your roller coaster. No cardboard, no tinfoil, no pipe cleaners, just that and tape. So between those two things, you will make your paper roller coaster. And your paper roller coaster will have to power a marble, just like this. It will need to power it for 15 seconds. Your ride will be 15 seconds long, okay? And from start to finish. Your roller coaster has to be within that 20-inch by 30-inch base. You're going to have an operational vertical 360-degree loop. And you'll need an operational funnel. And you'll need, your marble will need to be in constant motion. It cannot stop. So you can't touch it once it's after started the ride. Okay, so this worksheet will be uploaded to Canvas, and you'll be able to work on this. Okay, let me backtrack. You will only get one roll of tape. One roll of tape. So really, the supplies needed on this are your 20 sheets of cardstock, one standard roll of tape. I don't have one in front of me, but a standard roll of tape. And standard roll of tape, the 20-inch by 30-inch base, 20 sheets of this cardstock, and scissors, and that's really it. Now, in addition to that, you're going to have a theme for your roller coaster. In your roller coaster, you'll need to make a prototype roller coaster car, a ticket, and an entrance. Now, all of this is, you can add to your roller coaster as long as it doesn't do anything with the support or functionality, like how it works. If you have added something like for your props that somehow help hold up the roller coaster, you're going to get points off. And the last thing that I wanted to say is, if you cannot get the cardstock, it is possible to do with normal printer paper. You will have to double up some of the sheets, but if you do not have access to this stuff, just shoot me a message and we'll come up with an alternative. So this is going to be your final. We're going to actually work on it all week. So it will take, in class, it will take a whole week, and then we'll present during finals week. So we're going to start working on it this week, obviously, but you need to finish this first and submit it. So, all right. I guess if you guys have any questions, just shoot me a message, and I'll be available. All right.